What's up, everybody? Today we're going to do a quick overview on how to remove a theme from WordPress. It is recommended that you only have your active theme plus the most recent year version of themes available. So WordPress typically has 2020, 2021, and it follows the year pattern. Next year's is already out. So essentially I have the theme that I'm using, GeneratePress, a child theme where I do all my coding changes, and then we have 2 year themes here. So we're going to go ahead and remove the 2020 version. That way we only have the 2021 version available. Now this is important because these themes are the truth. This means that when you have these going, everything should work. So if you are having problems with your main theme and then you switch over to one of these and things start working correctly, you know your theme's the problem. The first thing we need to do is we need to get into the theme location area that you see here. So what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and click on Appearance on the left-hand side, and then you're going to click on the Themes option. Now that's going to bring you back to this location where we can delete our theme. All right, so what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and click on the theme itself, the big square for it. So click on Theme Details. Now that the details are open, on the bottom right hand you can see Delete. So I'm just confirming I'm going to delete the 2020 theme. I'm going to go ahead and click the Delete button. I'm going to click OK. And there you go. Now you can see the theme has been deleted from WordPress. Now I have my active theme, which is GeneratePress, with the child theme, and 2021. So this meets their security expectations if you're doing a security audit on your WordPress install. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Let me know what you want to see next, and most importantly, have a great day.